There are many ways to make money online, and the best approach will depend on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are some ideas. Freelancing, you can offer your skills and services online, such as writing, web design, programming, graphic design, social media management, and more. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and many others. Online tutoring, if you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students around the world. You can find clients on platforms like Check, TutorMe, and Schooly. Affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products and services through your website, blog, or social media. You can join affiliate programs of popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, or sign up for affiliate networks like Commission Junction, Share Hustle, and Rakuten Marketing. Online surveys, you can participate in online surveys and get paid for your opinions. There are many survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Windale Research that pay cash or gift cards. Selling products online, you can sell physical or digital products online, such as handmade crafts, clothing, books, software, or courses. You can set up an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Investing, you can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets online through trading platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or eToro. However, investing carries risk and requires research and knowledge. Creating content, you can create and publish content online, such as videos, podcasts, blogs, or ebooks, and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or donations. You can use platforms like YouTube, Patreon, or Medium. These are just a few examples of how to make money online. Remember, success requires hard work, dedication, and persistence.